Hey guys, what's up? In this video I want to talk about the HTC's One M8 dual camera, and in this video I'm going to explain everything about the HTC One M8 dual camera. So last year's HTC One stood out of the crowd. It chose a 4 megapixel resolution with bigger pixel size instead of what rivals do, like Samsung put 8 to 13 megapixel cameras on their smartphone on a sensor having similar physical size as the HTC One. So HTC called this an Ultrapixel camera and claimed it will offer superior quality, especially in low light. Although most critics' opinions didn't praise it, HTC chose to use it again in this year's HTC One M8. Resolution hasn't changed, but the camera now has a sidekick in the form of a secondary lens sensor combo used for collecting depth of field information. The depth of field information collected by the secondary lens is stored with every photo and allows to refocus the picture after the shot has been taken by adding artistic out-of-focus blur effects known as bokeh. Now, most of the people are thinking that this is same as the Nokia's refocus. Alternatively, you might be shouting about Samsung's selective focus that comes with the Galaxy S5, or Sony's background focus that's in the Sony Xperia Z2, or LG's Magic Focus in the G Pro 2, depending on which camp you are in. Those technologies, however, take a few photos with different depth of focus setting in rapid succession, up to 7 in the case of Nokia Lumia, and then ask you to select one or merge them all together. To use these modes, you have to manually select them every time before taking the pic, and wait for multiple photos to be captured. In contrast, the HTC's dual camera captures the depth information together with every photo without causing any delays. You can apply the post-processing effect to all the pictures you have taken, no matter if they were captured moments or weeks ago. By knowing the depth of the scene, the one can automatically select which parts of the picture to blur in order to emulate this DSLR-like out-of-focus artistic blur effect. Other options are to add colors or augmented reality effects. You can see the pictures at the moment. As you can see, there's a lot of big focus. You can't tell if this is a DSLR or a smartphone. So the method for collecting the additional depth information also helps for faster autofocus. HTC says it is faster than ever, capable of focusing in 0.3 of a second. This matches the result that Samsung touted for the Samsung's Galaxy S5, world's fastest in this case. In the case of S5, however, these results are achieved thanks to face detection autofocus system, which is first time in use in a phone. So there are improvements in the flash too. It features a new duo LED flash system with 2 differently colored LEDs, similar to what Apple uses for its iPhone 5s. It illuminates the cool and warm LEDs in one of over 500 unique color temperature combinations for more accurate color reproduction with less flash color tint. The new HTC One doesn't feature an optical image stabilization, since the technology is not possible with dual lens camera system. HTC claims that its digital smart stabilization works just as well as the optical image stabilization that we get on the Nexus 5 and the G Pro 2 and the G2. But we'll have to test it before we can pass any verdict. This phone is not actually come out in every single region of this world. So yes, of course, at least not in my country. So as you can see in some photos, and after listening to me, you are now aware, and you know that what is the HTC One M8 dual camera is. So basically is called as the always on refocus. So dual camera basically does more fancy things that Samsung's and Sony's and others phones do. You have to do it physically, but it will do automatically on the HTC One M8 by that availability of that new dual sensor. So yes, hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and hope this video helps you out by understanding this new dual camera. So yes, thanks for watching guys, and subscribe for daily tech videos, news, rumors, and more stuff, reviews, unboxing, and ton of stuff. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.